Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's King Hell here, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing some unboxing on Murder Mystery. Now, if you didn't know, you can craft a rainbow blaze. The technically three ingredients you need. The blaze, the golden blaze, and the icy blaze. Well, if you can see right here, here's the icy blaze, and here's the golden blaze. We need both of those knives. Now, I'm hoping me and my friend can get these knives today, so when we get this knife, we can have ×2. And I'm going to show you all the knives I have here in a sec. I'm hoping I get it on this roll. If I don't, I can show you my knives. Okay. Inventory. These are all my knives. Okay? This I got on my first try. Literally, my first try. She can even tell you. Right? Didn't I get it on my first try? So right now we're trying to unlock both of the hazes, and hopefully me and Cherry can get them. Now we both got 1,000 diamonds from a code on Murder Mysteries, so we should, if we're not mistaken, we should be able to get these knives. So if you guys like and enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit those post notifications to never miss another video. Okay, good to know. So let's keep rolling, and we'll play the game too, because there's no way I'm just going to keep unboxing. I'm going to play the game too. So let's go ahead and try to get these knives during the intermission, and yeah, let's get on with the video, because we need to get these knives. Since I'm innocent, I'm going to go hide myself somewhere, because it's the best way to get away from everyone. Right, Cherry? I got rain glow. Now guys, golden blaze isn't really that hard to get. It's just the fact that nobody knows the things you can do with the blazes. So I just died because I was dumb. But while we're trying to get these knives, I want you to comment below your favorite knife. Me and her will craft the knife for you, if that is able to be crafted. But if it's one of our divine knives, you cannot have them. So just leave a comment below if you guys want a knife crafted, and we'll craft it, and you can find us on Roblox and you can get your knife. Why is these crates so hard to unbox?
I don't know.
Are you even unboxing?
Oh god, I need like that.
You didn't need Temple Sendo.
I know, I'm not into collection.
Well, true, we do have collections of Sendos right now. Oh, there's Golden Blaze. Okay, so we know that sometimes it will slow down automatically, because remember, sometimes in the beginning it slows down, right, Cherry? So sometimes you'll get the luck and you'll just get it on your second try, but no, this time it's gonna take me a little bit, because I'm surprised I even got the blaze on the first try. Oh, darn it. I got cartoon stone. I don't even think you can craft cartoon stone, can you? Give me a sec. I don't think you can craft cartoon stone. No, you can't. They're just giving me random things. So look, here's the blaze. I can show you the blaze. Hoping. It's on my. No, it's my rainbow. I mean my cartoonies dagger. There's the blaze right here. But I'm not going to equip it because right now we're trying to get the other 2 knives. Because I think I already have this knife, don't I? I can show them what it's going to turn out to look like. I got the Sendo too. You got a Tide?
Yeah.
Okay, one other knife we need to focus on too is the nature. Because I need the nature knife. Faded. Innocent.
Of course. I'm sure.
And you're lagging. That's not gonna help. Well, I know where Murderer is. He's on the second floor with me. He just killed. Yeah, he just killed me.
How?
We got Icy Blaze. Boys, let's go. We got Icy Blaze. Did you just die?
Yes.
You need a better computer. One that runs Roblox really well. Yo, we just need Golden Blaze, because I already got Icy Blaze.
What do we need nature?
Well, you can try to get Nature, but I'm trying to get Golden Blaze. I would laugh if I would have got Orange Haze. Remember how long it took us last time to get Orange Haze? Faded again. Alright, I still got 1,000 left. After this, well, I'll have 900. So, basically, I can keep rolling until I get the Golden Blaze. Because I know I'm going to get it sooner or later. And this way, it's easier because, if it wasn't for the codes, I don't think we would have had this much diamonds. And I don't think we would have been able to get the Golden Blaze. Do you think so? It's just probably because we got the ×2 event, and remember, on ×2 event days, you normally get the things you can't even get sometimes. But also, happy early Halloween, guys, because I'm not going to be recording on Halloween, nor for the rest of this month. So, just a happy early Halloween because I'm not going to be recording for the rest of this week or the whole month because the whole entire month is October and I have to get ready for Halloween. Alright guys, we almost got Golden Blaze. Come on. Golden Blaze. Darn it, got Cartoon Brick. Okay. Golden Blaze. Yes? No, we got Cartoon Brick again. Yo, I have the whole entire chat spammed with my name. Cherry, you still unboxing? Because I don't see your name. Are you getting, like, the originals? Trading to... Oh my god, that's a bad trade. Look at this dude. Do you see this bad trade? Noob. Thank you, H Fuzzy. That's a one heck of a bad trade. Wolfie unboxed. She got the Golden Blaze. Don't know how, but she did. this is the round that we're gonna stop unboxing. Because really, last few rounds we were innocent. I really wasn't anything. So hopefully this round I'm something. Sheriff. And it's Juggernaut.
Sheriff. Of course it's the sheriff. Oh shit. I'm a fly, it's so good. God, the fly defeated
I just let him kill me. I just let him kill me. Because there's no point of me staying there.
I have nature, that's funny.
Oh, give me nature then.
Ah,
I'm kidding. You don't have to.
God. Why, you want it?
Yeah, I wanted it, but you don't have to give me it.
Oh, okay. I don't want to use it. Hey, throw me a trade, betray me.
I'm going to just give me a damn second. Bro! Guys, I'm sorry for what she just said. I can't bloop it out because my computer can't run editing software is that good, so. Oh my gosh. We just need that one blaze, and the game knows it, and it just doesn't want to give it. Give it up, please. Darn it. By the way, I might actually record one special vid this week because it's a DLC. I might record Jurassic Park for you guys. So keep a lookout for that. I got 900 left. Let's try to get this blaze before I run out of diamonds, because we really need this blaze a lot. Dude, I'm done. I got a haze, not the golden blaze. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, come on, come on. Golden blaze. God dang it. Rain glow. Brick. There was 2 golden blazes right there too. That was funny. There was just two away from getting it. Of course she's murdered. You better not come kill me. I swear to God if you kill me. Good, because I'm trying to get this knife, and you know how much important this means to me. I'm right here, do not kill me. Alright guys, I guess we ain't getting the last knife on this recording. But I will do this last unboxing. If you guys liked and enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit those post notifications to never miss another video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.